thank you so much for taking the time to come today and speak at the EnergyBiz Leadership Forum. I think you made some wonderful points out there. One question that I had, and I think that comes up a lot in the utility industry, is consumer and customer engagement. How do we start to get customers involved in what's going on in the utility industry? Given this looking towards a clean energy future, what do you see as being the role of the consumer in moving towards a clean energy future?
Well, ultimately, this revolution is going to be consumer driven. And the more that consumers understand that technologies are going to allow them to make decisions with regard to their own energy choices, their own ability to reduce their own consumption of energy in partnership with their local utility, then I think they will move in that direction. The more that people understand that the new vehicles which they purchase over time will result in less energy being consumed, although initially it will look like they had to pay a little bit more for those more fuel efficient vehicles. All of that will be clear, but it's up to the corporate side to explain to consumers that thinking smarter will reduce making their lives harder in terms of the economics of all these new technologies. And I'm quite confident that enough companies are going to break out, see the economic opportunity of partnering with consumers. When consumers are empowered, consumers are king and queens, and they will move the economy towards these new efficient technologies.
And in this forum, we've also had a lot of discussion at the local government, state government, federal government. I mean, where do you see that balance happening and moving towards a clean energy future with those different levels of government?
We don't see a conflict. In fact, in our legislation, there is significant funding, $10 billion per year, of state and local governments, so that the state and local governments can act independently, act as laboratories to create new approaches in 50 different states as to how this energy revolution should be unfurled.
Well, great. Well, thank you so much for
Thank
taking
you.
the time.
Thanks for having me. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
My
Thanks.
pleasure.